And here's a reminder of how seismic loads are derived, looking at NZS 1170.5, and it's in clause 6.2. We have, well, first of all, we've got seismic weights for each of the floors, and we add it up to get a total. We multiply it by a CDT factor, and that gives us our base shear. So that's the shear at the base of the structure, and that needs to be distributed up the building, and we use these formulas here given in clause 6.2. So we have this exception on the top floor, so that the top floor shear is 8% of the base shear, and then we distribute the rest of the forces in proportion to the stiffnesses and the seismic weight applied at that particular floor, given its height. And you end up with something that looks like that if you add it all up. And this is quite an old calc that I've pulled out of the archives, and you get some nice neat calculations to show what the forces are in each of the walls when subject to seismic loads. Now this is for one set of walls on one grid line when subject to a seismic force in one direction. So this is quite happily ignored accidental torsion.